Fancy a spot of gardening this spring? Ooh, it's a great time to plant flowers, don't you think? Let's start by drawing the outline of a spade. Do you know what a spade is? A spade is that small handheld tool that you use to dig. That's right. We're going to draw a lovely pot to put our flower in. And the flower, of course. Couple of leaves, the stem, and of course the petals. Super easy to do. Round circle in the middle, some lines through the leaves. And then we're going to draw another tool. Can you guess what this one is? It looks like something you used to eat with. But it's a bit big to fit in your mouth. That's right, it's a gardening fork. We're going to paint that one first, a lovely yellow colour. We use a small paintbrush for this, as it's thin areas that we're painting. Next we're going to go for purple. That's for the handle. And green for the bottom part. Now, let's go for a pretty pink flower, I think. Do you have a favourite type of flower? Maybe a rose, a camellia. Ooh, how about a tulip, a daffodil? Yellow for the middle of the flower. Matches the gardening fork. Then we'll go for green leaves, of course. And the stem too. And a different shade of green for the other half of our leaves. It's nice to use different shades of the same colour sometimes. It looks great. Brilliant. Now we're going to go for a lovely gold for the rim of our plant pot and then brown to finish it off. That's it. Do you know what shape has 4 unequal sides like this? A parallelogram. Done! Finally, the spade. We're going for blue this time. I'm really digging that blue, if you know what I mean. And yellow for the handle. And finally, the bottom part can be purple. And we're done! Fantastic! Good job, guys! Now, let's start our gardening, shall we? Ooh, what shall we plant?
Subscribe and watch more!